another set of plumbing videos. I call this Sewer-cide, and you're gonna see the reason why. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our first video. Let's see what it's all about.
The neighbours offered me $20 to come under here and see if I could find what was wrong with the pipe. And of course I would agree, acting as if I know what to do.
Oh wow! Culprit, one of these, then just set at the back.
So I'm just observing what's going on.
We're off to a good start, just in case I need help. Do you know anything about fixing pipes?
To me, he's very comfortable down there, and I never would be comfortable down there, especially having my hair out like that. No,
For a month, I can see why now.
that's crazy.
Cement?
And he's looking up in there.
I'm too fat. Can't see shit.
He's not wearing gloves,
Shut fucking up.
and then he's right in his face. Oh boy, I really don't know if this is staged. I know as a plumber, we wouldn't be doing that crap. That to me look like it's staged, but that's nasty. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So draining a drain. Sewer-cide. Because I would not be doing this. And I used to do it, but I used to be very cautious of what I was doing. So,
make sure you hit.
crazy.
Make sure you hit.
Only one thing can happen when using anything that uses compressed air. Only one thing can happen. I've seen this one already.
Why do that shit with his mouth, though?
I've seen this one already, but bro, that's tough. That is tough. See, this is this right here. I would not be doing any of this. I will be very far away. But let's run it. We know what's gonna happen. Honestly, the easiest thing to do is get a cloth or something of that material and just put it over the pipe, and basically capillary is going to take effect and all the water is going to run into the pan. That's the easiest way to channel the water versus trying to do that, especially if the pipes are already butting against each other but doesn't have a way to go out easy. It's gonna spray.
Right, that went a lot worse than you.
It's craziness. It's crazy.
What?
Oh! Third song.
não dói.
Honestly, you will. If I know what's gonna happen, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna find an alternative, vacuum, something, but I'm not just gonna let doodle water fall on me. I'm sorry.
And dripping.
Well, that's not gonna end well. Let's go. That's not too bad. That, you know what's gonna happen.
Oh my god.
Next time, you should just call a plumber. But that's what you gotta do when you are a homeowner. You have to either try to fix it or you call a professional. Me, who been in the trades most of my life, I would fix it. But you probably don't have the experience I have to know when to call a plumber. And I would tell anybody, if you don't know how to do it, if you're not mechanically inclined, call a plumber. This was a save, but it's getting heavy. Ugh. Ugh. I can only imagine.
Am I tripping, or is that water a little brown?
You're not tripping, and that's a sewer line.
Okay, first thing he need to do, yeah, step up and move out the way.
Like lightning.
There's that water's gonna splat regardless of what he does, unless he let
Is
it
he
drain
not
out
gonna
at
get
that
out the
rate.
way?
At that rate. So
Before he like what?
Oh, what the fuck, man? You want me to take the lead on this one? Oh shit! Oh shit!
yep, that's that's just what it is. That's plumbing right there, 101.
Hey, boss, you might want to come in here real quick. What the hell is it now, Matthew? I think I sprung a leak. What in the hell are you doing, Matthew? Making a mess. Charlie, shut up. The hell does it look like I'm doing? I was making me a cubby to hide shit in. Well, shit. What in the fuck? You have got to be kidding. Man, you are fired. Oh, yeah? Well, I got a baggie in the truck. Well, all right, quality and perfection for poop.
All right.
When you get covered in poop first thing in the morning.
I don't miss these days at all. But there's a lot of money in it. And that's basically a sump pump that's supposed to pump the water up to the main plumbing system. But that's it. That's our videos, our Sewer-cide plumbing videos. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.